Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. We have another mowing vlog here. So a while back, I had made some lame attempt at trying to make a how to stripe video. It was in the off season. It's very cringeworthy, but the concept of what I had learned so far was there. So in the video, I basically have the core concept down of you want to change your stripe pattern, or really your cut pattern, every other week. And just what that does is that it enables you to keep the lawn as even as possible, because commercial machines, they're so heavy that if you cut the lawn the same way over and over again for a year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3, I don't know, however long you have the customer, then what can happen is, you create ruts in the lawn, because during soft seasons, early spring and fall, with high moisture, you just create ruts, and then what? You're going to cut it the exact same way over and over again. Yes, the lawn comes back, the grass comes back, but it just, it speaks for itself. Let's just see some stripes. Lego.